How can Canadian companies sustain growth and resilience when traditional markets are becoming more competitive and uncertain? In the Asia-Pacific, Indonesia is emerging as a compelling answer, offering scale, momentum, and access to one of the world's fastest-growing economic regions. As the largest economy in Southeast Asia, it's becoming a central hub for trade, investment, and supply chains across the Asia-Pacific region. For Canadian companies, it offers access not only to domestic demand, but to a broader regional network of partners, projects, and opportunities. Across key sectors, Indonesia is creating tangible opportunities for international partners. The country is investing heavily in transport and civil infrastructure, digital systems, clean energy, and agri-food supply chains. For Canadian businesses, this is an opportunity to bring their expertise to areas where they're already strong, such as engineering, infrastructure, clean technology, digital solutions, agri-food, and resource development. The Canada-Indonesia Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, or CEPA, is expected to significantly improve how Canadian companies operate in the market. Once implemented, it will provide preferential tariff treatment on approximately 97% of Canadian exports. It also addresses non-tariff barriers, improves regulatory transparency, and creates more predictable conditions for trade and investment. The agreement includes provisions for services, investment, and business mobility, making it easier for Canadian companies to establish and grow their presence in Indonesia. Stronger institutional collaboration is expanding opportunities across the Indonesian market. For example, a recent Memorandum of Understanding between EDC and the Indonesia Investment Authority, or INA, is strengthening cooperation on investment and project development across priority sectors. Supported by an $825 million financing framework, this partnership is helping unlock major infrastructure and sustainability projects, making it easier for Canadian businesses to participate and compete. This supports a more consistent pipeline of opportunities aligned with Indonesia's long-term economic priorities. For Canadian companies, this means greater access to structured projects and partnerships that are already connected to the country's development priorities. Business in Indonesia is relationship-driven, where access to decision-makers, partners, and projects is critical. This is where EDC can help, supporting Canadian companies as they navigate and establish themselves in this environment. With a team on the ground in Jakarta, EDC provides market intelligence, connects companies with local partners, and supports positioning in front of real opportunities, helping companies move faster, build the right relationships, and reduce the risks of entering a complex market. To learn more about sector opportunities, market insights, and how to enter Indonesia with the right support, visit edc.ca.